Today we are going to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube part 4. In the last 3 episodes we have solved these 2 layers. It's time for the third layer. Let's solve it. So in our first scenario we have a yellow cross. This is what we needed. For the second scenario we don't have the cross, so we must make it. But we have a structure like this, which is a 90-degree angle, or it's 9 o'clock on a clock. So for this we must turn this front face like this so that this 3 white comes here. Then we do the right side formula 2 times. Then we fix this back up and we get a cross. And for our third scenario, we get a sleeping line. For this, keep it exactly as a sleeping, not a standing. Then turn this face so the 3 white come here. Then do the right side formula 1 time. Then fix this. We get a yellow cross again. And for our next scenario, we get a dot. This. Only a dot. For this, we turn this front face and do the formula, right side formula 2 times. And fix this up. And we get a standing line, make it into sleeping. And then turn this front, right side formula, fix this front. And we have got a cross again. And next, we must check how many number of pieces are there to fix. This 1 piece and this 2 piece. But sometimes we get more than 2. In some cases we get 3 or 4. And now I have made it so we got 4. No matter how many we got, we must fix it up. For this, turn the cube upside down. Then towards the right side. If this color is not on its right orientation, then do the right formula until it gets on its right orientation, and done. Then don't move these 2 layers. You must move only this layer, and then replace this with a wrong orientated block. Then do the right formula until it fixes. Then again do this and fix it. And again turn this and fix it. And done. We got this. White color is solved and yellow color is solved. And in some cases you don't get it. 1 color is solved but 1 is not. This happens when only 1 color is left. For this, it may happen that sometimes when you are solving, this gets twisted like this. I'll give an example for that. I'm doing here right side formula. I'm showing you slowly, and sometimes it may twist it like this. And the result is a twisted block. Must solve it like this. Then we need at least 2 pieces on their right position. Done. Then we need to remove these 2 and keep it on the right position. For that we have a formula, which is the right side formula 3 times. Then turn this cube like this so that this comes towards the left, and then the left side formula 3 times. And then orient this, keep these pieces on their right positions, and again turn them. And sometimes we get it, sometimes we don't, because at the starting we may get some positions when not these two, but these two are not on the right positions, but these two are. For that, do on any side the formula, right 3 times, turn this like this and left 3 times, and then again do this, and you get a position where only these two are not done. For that, we know what to do. And next one, here in these 3 colors, one piece is of not its color, and one color is solved with the yellow and white. For this, we must face the solved color towards the front and do the right side formula and the left side formula, and it must look like this. Then do the right side formula 5 times, and then left side formula 5 times, and then complete this top, and you will get your cube solved. But sometimes you don't get it like that. You get all the 4 colors with none of them solved. For this, pick any side and do it. The right side, the left side, right 5 times, the left 5 times, and then you get one solved color and do with it. The right side, the left side, right 5 times and left 5 times. And sometimes in one time you don't get it. No worry, do it another time. And you get it. Your cube is solved. Hooray! If you concentrate on it and solve it, then you may get this in 1 week for the first time, and in 1 hour, half an hour, and even 10 minutes and 1 minute for the next times. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to see more of them, and thank you.